So one of the things that we're trying to do is to make sure that we have accurate fitment information. And when you call and you say, I have this vehicle or these brakes, can you tell me if it fits this wheel? The one thing we're trying to do is trying to gather as much vehicle data as possible. So we scan a lot of vehicles to make sure we have a database and a library of vehicles that have the caliper drawings, fender arch, and all the different things that have to do with your strut, so we can accurately tell you where your wheel is going to fit and exactly how it's going to lay in when you use different brake kits. So we're going to be scanning this 350Z track, my car, just as an example for how it goes. The first thing we do is we're actually using this spray. It's Asa Blue. It's cool because it disappears. I don't have to worry about like spraying this on a Lambo and then getting really upset with me. Some people use Dr. Scholl's, which, you know, then you have to clean off, but this doesn't. So essentially what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and spray this down. We're trying to take away shiny surfaces. We do have lights inside just in case for some reason we need to be able to change it, you know, exactly what's going on here. Let's go ahead and scan it. So we're gonna be roughly yay back. We're gonna go ahead and click scan. You're gonna start to see it's gonna grab a lot of data pretty quickly. Right, we're going around. We're trying to use this thing up here to stay in the focal point.
That smells good.
We want to make sure that we're being very cautious to stay on a point. So before, you can see we got the strut there. Swing around a little bit this way, see how much more we can capture. And what we can do here is once we get a scan that we feel like is pretty good, it's going to then go ahead and build this file. When this file comes, we should be able to bring it over here, move it around, look at it. So we should have plenty here to use as reference points to line multiple scans up. So we can go ahead and just do multiple scans. You know, for those at home watching along, basically we have this cart. This cart is mainly just for scanning. We have a couple of different wheel and tire tools, torque wrench, keep, you know, some wheel measuring tools, right? If we have to do any profiling gauges, this is kind of how we did it back in the day. So what you do something like this is you kind of just, and then what you do is you basically come out and then you have a rough caliper shape. You can see where the stud is. You can kind of get your drawing on, and then we would sketch this onto a piece of paper. So we have our scan, right? We're able to see roughly what we scanned and what we didn't. We want to know where that strut is, right? Okay. This will tell us that inbound point when we try to figure out wheel fitment, right? This is pretty important, and this is what really makes a big difference.
The upright.
We can see the upright of the strut here, which is this, right? And so what we know with this upright, when we plot this in, you can see it right here, is we now can tell people or figure out how far inbound can you go with your wheel in different diameters before you're going to have a impact point on the inbound side. With a scan to the outside before we finish this scan, where we can actually see what the where the fender arch is, we could then say the same thing but on the exterior. Basically, so here's what we have so far. We are able to see the protrusion of the caliper. We could change the shape. We can clean this stuff up. And again, there's a lot of things that gets done when you're in edit mode. Our engineer will take this, he'll clean this drawing out. The resolution will improve a lot. All right, so maybe you wanted to know about this. Maybe you didn't want to know about this, but we're just trying to give you an overview on kind of what we do when it comes into scanning brakes and trying to build our library to make sure that we're constantly making sure that the fitment that you're asking for, we can tell you definitively that it fits. And so we try to get all the aspects of these cars. We try to bring cars in. So if you have a vehicle that maybe you live in the New York area,
oh, say less.
We'll bring you up here. We'll scan this baby out of here. It only takes about 30 minutes front and back. Give you a lollipop at the end. It's a fantastic experience. But no, at the end of the day, we take these, we overlay them, we get them exact, we keep a library of all the different data. And then when you ask us questions about how far a wheel can fit or what you can do, we know concretely that that's exactly what can happen. So the cool thing is a lot of good tools available now, so we're using them. Anyhow, that's pretty much how we do things around here. Thanks for hanging out with us. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.